welcome back to my channel. In this video I did this look right here. This is a full face of Maybelline and I did a monochromatic look, and if you want to know how you can achieve this look, then please continue watching. I'm going to start with a freshly washed skin, and the first step is to moisturize your skin, and I'm pretty sure Maybelline doesn't have a moisturizer. So for today I'm going to use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Age Rewind Anti-Aging Cream. Now that my moisturizer is completely set, the next step is a primer. So I'll be showing you two different primers from Maybelline. The one that I absolutely love is the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. I'm pretty sure this is not yet available in India. So the other option which is available in India is the Maybelline Dream One Day Perfect Primer. So this, I think I've finished the bottle, or I don't know if the consistency has changed, but I have been having this for very long and I'm not going to be using this today, but this is a great option if you have normal to dry skin. I'm going to be using this one today. Now that my primer is set, the next step is the foundation, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 235 Pure Beige. So I have finished one bottle of this already, and I was using the shade 238 Rich Tan, which was slightly darker to my skin tone, and after I started using their compact in 235, I realized 235 was my shade and I purchased this one. So let's use this. Oh, I just forgot to mention one more thing. The earlier Fit Me packaging didn't come with a pump, so you had to just tilt the bottle to get the foundation out. But the new packaging comes with a pump, so I just thought I should mention that. So as you can see, the foundation has evened out my skin and it looks pretty natural on the skin as well. So this foundation has a medium to buildable coverage, but I'm not going to be adding another layer because I like how the foundation is sitting on my skin right now. So let's move on to the next step. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using the Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand. So this is one shade lighter to my skin tone, and this I use only for highlighting under my eyes. I apply the same concealer as an eyeshadow base today, and to set the concealed areas in place, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Loose Powder. This is in the shade 25. So this goes only on the areas where I've applied the concealer, and for setting the rest of my face, I'm going to be using another powder. So I've taken a little bit in the cap of the bottle, and I'm going to be setting my under eyes and also my eyelids with the same powder. So before setting the rest of my face, I'm going to be using a cream contour today because I don't have any powder contour from Maybelline. So this is the Maybelline V Face Duo Stick, which has a bronzer on one end and a highlighter on the other end. I'm going to be taking the bronzing side and I'm just going to give some warmth back to the face because it looks quite flat right now. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit of the bronzer. So I will set my face with the Fit Me compact powder in the shade 235 and I'll be right back. So next I would like to go in with the eye makeup. So starting with the eyebrows, there is a eyebrow pencil from Maybelline but I don't have that. So I'm just going to be taking the regular spoolie brush and I'm just going to define my brows with this. So for eyeshadows, Maybelline does have a couple of eyeshadow palettes, but unfortunately I don't have even one. So I'm just gonna make my own customized eyeshadow with the other products that I own from Maybelline. So taking the same V-Face Duo Stick, I'm again going to be taking the bronzing side of this, which looks something like this. So I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to apply this as my crease color today. For today's lip color, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline lipstick. This is their Creamy Matte range in the shade Touch of Spice. So this looks something like this. This is the shade. So I'm going to be applying this as my lid color today. I'm just showing you a close-up of how this color looks. So this is the color. It's a mauvey nudish kind of a color. So I'll just do the other eye and be right back. So this is how my eyes look with just the lid color. So I'm gonna be going in with a highlighter from Maybelline. So this is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. So I will show you how it looks in a bit, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that just on the center of the lids to give a pop of color. So this is the highlighter and this is how it looks. So it's a very goldenish kind of color. Yeah, that's the color. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of this just in the center of my eyelids. So again showing you a close-up of how the eyeshadows look. I mean the lipstick and the highlighter looks in the eyes. So the next step I'm going to be doing is an eyeliner. So I have a liquid eyeliner from Maybelline. So the next step I'm going to be doing is an eyeliner. So I have a liquid eyeliner from Maybelline. So this is the eyeliner. The name of it has just gone. I'll try to link the name of this in the description box below. So I'm just gonna use this as my eyeliner. I'll do my eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. So for today's kajal, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And this goes in my waterline. I'll also be setting it with a black eyeshadow from some other palette that I have. For today's mascara, I'm going in with the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I have spoken about this in my IGTV videos. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you're following me there also. I leave the link in the description box below. So this is a beautiful mascara. It gives a very fluttery effect to your lashes. And this is the waterproof version. They also have a washable version of this. So please check this mascara out. So coming back to the base, we just have to finish with the blush and highlighter. And if you have guessed it right, I hope you guessed it right. Yes, for the blush, I'm going to be using the same Touch of Spice lipstick. I'm going to be taking a brush for this, and I'm just going to take some of the lipstick and pat it in my cheeks where I normally apply the blush. So for highlighter, I'm taking the same molten gold master chrome highlighter, and I'm taking a fan brush like this, and I'm just gonna apply it on my cheekbones. And finally for the lipstick, it's again the same lipstick. It's the Maybelline Touch of Spice from their Creamy Matte range, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips. So that's the final look, and thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also share this with your friends who are Maybelline fans. And please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So until next time, see you. Take care. Bye.